Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. After a long time, I will back because of one of our subscriber is telling to me we have to make another safety video about the topics of risk assessment. So friends, today our topics is risk assessment. What is actually risk assessment and what is the importance of in safety field risk assessment? So all of we should know about this risk assessment because it is a very important and very most topics in a safety field, because without a risk assessment we cannot approve to go any activities at the site. So first we should know what is the risk assessment. So risk assessment is just a systematic way to identify the hazards at the working place by the help of risk matrix. Risk matrix is a different topics, and we will discuss our next video inshallah. But now we are discuss about risk assessment. What is the risk assessment and how to prepare a risk assessment? So first we should know about risk assessment. So now I am going to tell you, the risk assessment is a systematic way to identify the each and every activity ongoing at site. Before starting a job, we should make a risk assessment by helping the risk matrix. Risk matrix is what is a risk matrix? Risk matrix is a table which we can calculating a level of the risk from the identify the hazards and controls. So now there is some steps to follow up to make preparing a risk assessment. What is that steps? The first one, make sure the first one is preparation. We have to prepare on that activities first. Then identification, preparation, identification. Then we will risk assessment. We will analyze risk assessment by help of, before I told you, the risk matrix. We can identify the risk assessment. After, when we are already risk assessment calculating, we will provide the control measure. So there the five one is implementation and reviews. So there is five steps to preparing a risk assessment at a safety field. The first one is, if you want to knock down, you can do. The first one is preparation, set down preparation sorry preparation, identification, risk assessment, implementation and reviews. Implementation, control measure, and implementation and reviews. So these are steps to follow up a risk assessment preparation. So if we know these steps, we can easily identify the hazards of each and every activity on the site. So friends, I hope you will understand. If you have any questions, you can say comments. No problem. Okay friend. Okay, Allah Hafiz.